Got your heart set on a camera but don't have the money to get it? Head over to Metro Goli in Dharmatala and find cameras and more. Central Kolkata is famous for its many market hubs. There are entire lanes devoted to only one product like bicycles, scientific instruments, clothes, flowers. You name it, they have it. Metro Goli is another name you can add to your list. A narrow lane blasting with shops. This is the place all camera aficionados head to for second-hand film and DSLR cameras in working conditions and to get the latest digital models at discounted rates. You can also find camera equipment like lights, tripods, batteries, bags, microphone, memory cards, and even lenses for all kinds of standard or professionals. Whether you are just starting out or have been in photography business for years, you can find all your need right here. And if you don't find anything in stock, don't upset. You can always place an order with them. The lane is also known for skillful camera repairs. Walk in for any kind of damage your camera has suffered and watch these pros work their magic. So we are saying Metro Goli is your one-stop destinations if you are into photography. And the best part is it's for every kind of budget. Anyone with limited pocket money come here to pick up excellent second-hand cameras to hone their skills as do pros who still want to shoot on film. তো আর দেরি না করে তাড়াতাড়ি এখানে চলে আসো ধর্মতলা এরিয়া মেট্রোগুলি বললে যে কেউ দেখিয়ে দেবে এখানে ক্যামেরার মানে সেকেন্ড হ্যান্ড থেকে শুরু করে লেটেস্ট ভার্সানের যে ক্যামেরা তোমরা চাও সেটা কম দামে পেয়ে যাবে। আর যদি আমার চ্যানেল থেকে দেখে আসো তাহলে প্লিজ আমার চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলো না। ফেসবুক পেজ থেকে দেখলে ফেসবুক পেজটা ফলো করে দিও।